BioSkills has been going for over a decade, and which it's basically introduces a unique learning pathway for junior consultants, senior trainees in a relatively informal manner. If you can get tips and tricks, bits of advice, gold nuggets of advice from faculty, or even have a mentor to call on if there's any problems, I think that that's invaluable for the newer consultants.
So I'm one of the faculty. It's a very exciting workshop in that we've got an opportunity to do lectures and education in the morning, which is an opportunity to really consolidate people's theory and understanding as to why they choose various meshes, but also some of the surgical techniques. And then we'll buttress that in the afternoon with a good opportunity to go into the laboratory and try the techniques out from a practical point of view. So I'll be facilitating that during the day along with my co-faculty.
Very fortunate that BioSkills is happening at the Royal Free. We've got this amazing cadaver lab, so I've been very involved in organising it from in conjunction with HC21, who've been incredibly supportive. And I think in terms of educational tool, it's the perfect sort of marriage between lectures, discussion, interaction, and then being able to practice what you learn in the morning in the cadaver lab in the afternoon.
Looking at the agenda, it was very interesting because it was sort of brushing up on things that I already do, learning some new tips and techniques and getting better outcomes for my patients, and that's interesting. And I think today's topics and workshops have actually exceeded my expectations.
I would definitely recommend this workshop. It has been really thought-provoking. We've got two faculty here who have got some of the most experience in the UK, if not worldwide, in implant-based reconstruction and revisional surgery. And you know, I'm a consultant. I'm 6 years into practice myself, so you know, trying to start taking on more complex cases now, and actually coming to this kind of course where you're learning from people who've done a lot more volume to you is absolutely, it's really, really worthwhile.
I think it's important because it improves the quality of care that we provide to patients. I think it also provides opportunities for continued professional development for surgeons, which I think is vital to maintain engagement with the workforce, particularly at times like this where there are challenges.
Today's BioSkills has not been about selling products, it's about educating, training, it's about showing techniques. And as long as we can do that, then it's all good and everyone wins and everyone benefits.